Adobe Pack 101, Adobe Complete Package. The Adobe Creative Cloud, CC, suite is a comprehensive collection of over 20 desktop and mobile apps and services for various creative needs. Here's a detailed look at its features, cons, known issues and fixes, tips for beginners, and alternatives. Features: Photoshop, image editing and compositing, Illustrator, vector graphics and illustration, InDesign, page design and layout for print and digital publishing, Adobe XD, designing and prototyping user experiences, Lightroom, digital photo processing and editing, Premiere Pro, video production and editing, After Effects, cinematic visual effects and motion graphics, Acrobat Pro, PDF solution across devices. Cons: subscription cost, can be expensive over time compared to one-time purchase software. Complexity, some users find the apps have a steep learning curve. System requirements, high-performance hardware is often necessary for smooth operation. Inconsistency, not all apps receive updates at the same rate. Known issues and fixes: file sync, issues with syncing large files or batches of files. Adobe recommends letting the sync operations complete for resolution. Compatibility, some users report problems with Adobe CC apps on Windows 11, with fixes involving updating the OS and Adobe apps. Installation errors, common installation errors can be resolved by following Adobe's troubleshooting guides. Pro tips for beginners: start with tutorials. Adobe offers a range of tutorials for beginners to get started with each app. Use templates, many apps provide templates to help you begin your projects. Learn shortcuts, keyboard shortcuts can significantly speed up your workflow. Explore Creative Cloud libraries, use libraries to keep your resources organized and accessible across different apps. Alternatives: Affinity Photo, a cost-effective alternative to Photoshop. Inkscape, a free vector graphics editor similar to Illustrator. Skylum Luminar, an alternative to Lightroom for photo editing. Scribus, an open-source desktop publishing app as an alternative to InDesign. DaVinci Resolve, a professional video editing software that rivals Premiere Pro. For the most current information and support, it's always best to check Adobe's official resources or community forums. Remember, while alternatives can offer some similar functionalities, they may not fully replace all the features provided by Adobe CC apps.